Strata is a fully integrated solar and utility scale battery developer. We see a project from bare dirt. We do the permitting, find the land, procure, engineer the project, and build the project, and then either find an off-taker or own the project ourselves. So the benefits of solar are that it provides a emissions-free, fuel-free, clean energy source, low-cost clean energy source for the 30-plus years of the project. Mega battery packs are a brand name Tesla battery pack. This one here just happens to be mega, meaning megawatt, for utility scale. Each of these battery packs are around 3 megawatts, 3 megawatt hours of electricity. And here on this project there are 3 battery packs, so just under 9 megawatt hours of storage. So if these batteries were used for an entire day, they would probably power about 300 homes, but if you use them just for to cut the demand peaks, then you're looking at about 1,000 homes. The purpose of these batteries while they were installed is to cut demand charges from the power supplier for PWC, meaning that by cutting those demand peaks when power is, you can charge these batteries when power is cheap, and then discharge it when power is expensive in the middle of the day, for instance during the heat of the day, or on a really cold morning in the winter. The difference between the old battery and this new Tesla system that we installed is this new system is about 10 times larger megawatt hours wise than the old storage system that PWC had. I think battery storage is probably the most exciting technology that we have right now. In recent years, if you look back just 5 years ago, utility scale battery storage was not even financially viable, and just in that short period of time we are now installing them across the country. Storage technology is crucial to the clean energy transition. Obviously renewables are not always able to run. They only run when the sun is shining or when the wind is blowing, and so that enables us, when that power is produced, to store that electricity and use it when the renewables are not operating or not producing electricity. This was just completed recently, and the construction time on this particular project was around 6 to 8 months in that window, depending on how you look at certain things with procurement and the engineering of the project. The best thing to do to learn more about this pack and solar facilities and some of our other applications and projects would be to visit stratacleanenergy.com. There you'll find information on all our projects, also some educational information on the benefits of storage, the benefits of solar, and the benefits of renewables in general. As we attempt to combat climate change and other environmental issues that we face across this country and the world, renewables are going to become a larger player, are becoming a larger player in decreasing our emissions, especially around the energy generation sources that we've used traditionally. And storage is going to play a major role in that, like I mentioned earlier, just to be able to charge when those renewables are working and discharge when the renewables are not producing electricity. Solar, for instance, that this is connected to, does not always produce electricity when it's raining, when it's nighttime, when there's snow on the panels. The reliability during those times is the facts are that they're not running, they're not producing electricity. So this allows, on a day when the sun is shining, when it's producing more electricity than the grid can accept, that electricity can be stored in these battery packs and then discharged during those times when the electricity is needed. So this benefits customers because the way the contracting, all source contracting is set up with Duke, PWC can avoid the peak demand charges by discharging these batteries to their customers instead of using Duke Energy's electricity during the peak demand hours. And this is estimated to save ratepayers around $400,000 a year.